988, from when I was really little, I knew 988 is the Suicide Crisis Hotline. If I am suicidal or depressed or need someone to talk to, call them. If you are in doubt on whether or not you should call them or not, call them. It's something that I learned in elementary school. It's, as I showed earlier, it's printed on the backs of our badges. There's posters. In the counselor's office, there's posters. It's a resource that we are absolutely encouraged to use in every way by our schools. But now, we really can't in so many cases. I called it in November of last year, and I was never depressed, but I had a very bad day. I had found out like 3 days ago that my dad had cancer. I had a grandmother who was in the hospital for 40 days. I was stressed out, and I wanted to talk to somebody who wasn't, someone who didn't know me. Because I've always had the problem of feeling like I'm judged by everyone that I know. And I wanted to talk to somebody who just didn't know me, who I could just vent about my problems and then be good. In about 5 minutes of talking to them, and she was very nice, she listened to me vent, but then the question came, how old are you? And I told her I was 14. And in that, about 30 seconds after that, I was hung up on. She made sure as best as she could that that I was okay, that I wasn't in crisis. And then she hung up. She told me about 1329, and then she hung up.